Good day and welcome to Deputy AT's page. In the past couple of episodes, we have defined persons, metropolitan area, restricted districts, vehicles, which includes motor vehicles, towed vehicles, and other vehicles. We've also defined equipments. But in this episode 7, we'll start from page 32, 541.301. Traffic means the following while using a highway for the purpose of travel: pedestrians, ridden or herded animals, conveyance, including vehicles and streetcars. 541.302 Traffic areas includes alley, a street that is not used primarily for through traffic and provides access to rear entrances of buildings or lots along a street. Highway or street, the width between the boundary lines of a publicly maintained way, any part of which is open to the public for vehicular travel. The highway includes big roads, small roads, paved roads, unpaved roads, any publicly maintained road that is open to the public. The highway includes the entire right-of-way, including ditches and shoulders. According to the diagram, a highway is from fence line to fence line. Reference 542.001. Most of the offenses and regulation in the Transportation Code only apply to vehicles being operated on the highway. Roadway, the portion of a highway other than the beam or shoulder that is improved, designed, or ordinarily used for vehicular travel. If a highway includes at least two separate roadways, the term applies to each roadway separately. See the diagram in page 33. As we observed earlier, the highway from fence line to fence line. The roadway is in the highway. The roadway does not include shoulders. It only includes the main lanes of the highway. Laned roadway. A roadway divided into at least two clearly marked lanes for vehicular travel. Reference 545.060. Driving on roadway laned for traffic. Shoulder. The portion of a highway that is adjacent to the roadway, designed or ordinarily used for parking, distinguished from the roadway by different design, construction, or marking, and not intended for normal vehicular travel. Improved shoulder. A paved shoulder, reference 545.058. Driving on the improved shoulder is only legal in specific circumstances. Limited access or controlled access highway. Right of access and access to enter or exit the highway or roadway is restricted under law except at a place and in a manner determined by the authority that has jurisdiction over the highway or roadway. Freeway. A divided controlled access highway for through traffic. Freeway main lane. A freeway lane having an uninterrupted flow of through traffic. Ramp. An interconnecting roadway of a traffic interchange or a connecting roadway between highways at different levels or between parallel highways that allow a vehicle to enter or exit a roadway. Sidewalk. The portion of a street that is between a curb or lateral line of a roadway and the adjacent property line and intended for pedestrian use. Crosswalk. Crosswalks can be marked or unmarked. Marked, the portion of a roadway designed as a pedestrian crossing by surface markings, including lines. Unmarked, the portion of a roadway at an intersection that is within the connection of the lateral line of the sidewalk on opposite sides of the highway. Until next time, when we will continue on page 34 to define school crossing zone, school crosswalk, safety zones, and intersection. Dipt AT. Stay active.